game jam really got you excited and you wish to take part in it too. But wait, there is a problem. You don't know which application to use for game development and where you'll get them from. Well, if that is the case, you just happen to click on the right video, because in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Unity and Blender. Firstly, we would be needing a game engine for making a game. A game engine is a software development program or environment used originally to develop video games. So the first application which we would be installing for this tutorial is Unity. On your browser of preference, search for Unity and click on the unity.com link. On this page, you can read about Unity, get to know some of its features, and also check out some of the games made with the Unity game engine. To proceed to download Unity, click on the Get Started button here. I'll choose the individual option here. Now, if you intend to use Unity for personal use, you can choose the personal version. And if you are a student and you meet the eligibility criteria, you can choose the student plan. The advantages you get with this is that you will get Unity Pro, cloud-based collaboration, and much more. After choosing your preferred plan, you can proceed with the download. Click on the download button here and the download will start for you. Once this is downloaded, click on the setup. You will be greeted with the terms of service of Unity. Read through this and then click on I agree. On this page, you may choose the location where you wish to install Unity. Once this is done, you may click Finish. Open the Unity Hub application and choose the Create Account if you do not have an account and click on Sign In if you already have an account. To create a new account, fill up the details required by the Hub and verify your email by the verification code Unity would have sent you in your email. You will then be redirected to the Unity Sign In page. Sign in here with the account that you just created. You will be redirected back to the Unity Hub. Click on the Settings button and choose the licenses. Here, click on the Add button and choose the license which applies to you and get that license. Now for the last part, you will need an editor. So, go to the Installs tab and click on the Install Editor button. Here you can choose the version of Unity you wish to install and work on. Click on the Install button. You can leave these build supports unchecked for now as they can be added later on. Click on the Install button. Once this is downloaded, you'll see this version of Unity in your installs here and you can start making games on it. Next, you might be needing an application where you can create the objects and the environment for your scene and even design the protagonist of your game. For this, we'll be installing Blender. Blender is a free and open source software that you can use for modeling 3D objects, animating, sculpting, rendering, and a lot more. To install Blender, on the browser of your choice, search for Blender. Click on the blender.org website. Here, click on the Download Blender button. Here also, click on the Download Blender button. You can also choose the drop-down menu here if you have Mac OS or Linux. Once this download has finished, we can launch the installer. Click Next. Now, we have the license agreement page. Read through this, and once you are done, click on the I accept checkbox and click next. This page is for the libraries and where they will be installed on your computer. You can change the location Blender files get installed by clicking on the browse button and choosing the location. I'll be using the default location. Click next. Now everything is ready and we can begin installation by clicking on the install button. Now the installation of Blender is complete and we can open it. You will be greeted with a screen similar to this. At the time of the first launch of the application, you will get a quick setup that you can personalize for yourself.